Hello everyone, welcome back to Lean On Learning channel. Now, in today's video, we will be looking into the filter option available in Excel. Now, where is this filter option available? Now, you can see a drop down buttons in the header of the column of your table. Now, just click it off. You can find out the sort option as well as the filter option will be available under this drop down button. Similarly, you can see the option available under the data tab in the sort and filter section. Now, whenever you convert a range of data into table, immediately you can see the drop down button, that is this filter option will be enabled by default. Now, when you doesn't want this filter option, just click it off, it will get deactivated. If you want the filter option, just click it again. You can see the buttons appearing again. Now, this filter option, there is also another way through which you can insert filter, that is press Ctrl Shift L. I'll repeat, the option or the shortcut key from your keyboard is Ctrl Shift L. Okay, now by pressing this, you will get the filter option enabled. Now let's see, this filter option can be applied to all kinds of data. It can be applied to the date, it can be applied to text data, it can also be applied to numerical data. It is also available in Excel that you can perform filter for colors. You can filter based on the colors. That is the reason purposefully I have colored the unique ID category, unique ID column in this particular data sheet. Okay, right. Now let us see. If I want only the female candidates and not the male candidates in my worksheet. Now, if you are going for sort, both male and female will be there, and maybe you can highlight the female. That is alone is possible. But in filter, you will not find out any candidates who belong to the gender of male. You will see only the female candidates record. Now, we will see how it can be done. I am going to gender. Okay. Now, there is an option called as text filters. Under that, there is a small, I'll show you again. Now, you have the text filter option. Under that, you have a smaller box where there will be 3 smaller check boxes where all the whatever data you have in your column, it is being displayed. It is female and male, everything is given over here. Now I want only the female record. So what I am doing is I am unchecking select all and I am just clicking on female. Okay, now female records alone should appear in my data sheet. Let's check it off. Now you can see only the female records. There are no male records. Now if you want, you can copy this data and you can paste in another sheet separately. If you doesn't want this filter, what you have to do is just, you can see here, there is a filter button applied here. This shows that the filtering is done under this particular column. Hope you all can identify this. Now I am clicking it again. Okay, and I am removing the clear filter from gender. Now this is how you have to perform the filter option. Similarly, you can also perform it with number filters also. You can see all the marks scored under a particular subject will apply there. Now if I want only the marks, the records which have scored more than 80 or 80 and above, I have to uncheck all and I have to just select 80. Okay, this is what I am doing here. But you can see unchecking all and again performing, I feel that I doesn't want it. So what I am going to do is clear filter. I am giving clear filter. Now I am going to Tamil. Now you can see when you press your cursor near to number filters, you can see there are various options available. Equals, does not equal, greater than. Okay, if I want just press greater than, I want is you can see automatically you will have a custom auto filter where it is asking how should be your, as you have already pressed greater than, it is asking the mark should be greater than, you can give the mark. Maybe I wanted above 60. Okay, but I wanted less than 90. Okay, that can also be performed. There is 2 particular options given here, and or. Okay, so what I am going to do is and less than 90. This is how I am going to give. You can see, so whoever have scored more than 60 and less than 90, those records immediately appear in this particular sheet, in our active sheet. This is how you can perform using custom filter also. So the same thing, I am clearing the filter now. Okay, the same thing which is available for date also. You can perform with date filters also. Even you can find out whichever date which is going to appear in the next week, just click it off. You can see 28, 29 and 30, because from today it starts with the 21st June. The next week is 28, starts from 28, 29th and 30th. So that is the reason we have the filter as it. So these are the basic options available in the filter. Similarly with colors, how we can do with color, that will also, I'll give you an example. Now I am clearing the filter. Now what you can do is just press in, just check this drop down button. You can see filter by color. I'm going to give yellow. Now you can see K is marked in yellow, highlighted in yellow. So those records highlighted in those records which have K as a unique ID, which will be displayed in our active sheet. Now this is how the filter works in Excel. Okay, now these are some of the basic options what we discussed today. There are also certain advanced filter options which will be in the next video. That's all for today's video. Keep supporting my channel. Do subscribe my channel and give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. Thank you.